That's the thing. It needed to go. And I was available to help. I figured, why not? You need 2 people and 2 cars to take the car to shop. That or an Uber.
You do. Man, much better than Uber. Fuck Uber.
Nah, fuck Uber.
I don't want to ride with strangers.
Us. When you said us, I thought you meant chat. Of course I meant chat. If I don't shop here, that's us. That's you and me, chat. That's us. If I don't have food to cook here, then what do? We drink around. We drink.
Whatever happened to the reflecting pool stream?
We had enough for booze, huh? The booze was already here. Okay. The booze is already here. The reflecting pool stream is still happening. I know where I want to do it. Now I just got to get my setup good enough to take it to the place. We drink around, true. Super blue fruit now. Sad category, drink and drink. That's not a category. No, it could be, I guess. What else we got to do while this rice is cooking? I'm going to have to probably move it to the back at some point because it'll cook too fast. Oh. I don't know, chat. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. Got rather peed off? Peed off, huh?